Hi Ratana, this is our new friend. Hi Ratana, this is our new friend. Hi, I am Chan. I'm a newcomer. Hi, I am Chan. I'm a newcomer.
Hello, Chan. I'm Ratana. Nice to see you. Hello, Chan. I'm Ratana. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, Ratana. Nice to see you too, Ratana.
Not at all. If you have any problems, ask your friend. Not at all. If you have any problems, ask your friend.
Okay, I get it. Okay, I get it.
Chan, you have to work on this computer. Chan, you have to work on this computer.
Thank you, Ratana. Thank you, Ratana. Okay, let's work. Okay, let's work. Hello class, how are you? Hello class, how are you?
I'm very well, thanks. I'm very well, thanks.
Are you a newcomer? Are you a newcomer?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Can you introduce yourself to the class? Can you introduce yourself to the class?
Of course, teacher. Of course, teacher.
Go ahead now. Go ahead now.
Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone. My name is Li Hiang. I'm from Takeo province. I'm 16 years old.
Where do you live now? Where do you live now?
I live in Phnom Penh. I live in Phnom Penh.
How long have you lived in Phnom Penh? How long have you lived in Phnom Penh?
I have lived in Phnom Penh for 1 year. I have lived in Phnom Penh for 1 year.
Good. Thank for your self-introduction. Let's go to our lessons.